Hello guys and welcome to new one, and in today's video we're gonna launch control this beast into the oblivion. Hello again guys, and if you are first time here, my name is Philip, and if you love sketchy bike things, you are in the right place, so smash that subscribe button. Before we go and launch this beast, a little words of wisdom. Don't launch your bike every time you come to a stop. You will most definitely fuck up your clutch, so don't do it. A little bit of common sense. Few launches here and there, you are perfectly fine, but if you start launching your bike from every stop, you will most definitely fuck up your clutch. Now let's find a straight piece of road and let's do this. This looks like a fine place. Let's send it. Dynamic. Launch. That was really fun, man. We must do this again. We must launch again. Was a little better. The first one was a little that was so freaking fun. That was so freaking fun. I love this bike. I really love this bike. And that will be all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed a lot. This launch control is pretty addictive stuff. I will take you just a few minutes more. In the next video we start a build series of this bike, and in the first video we are going to install a Buick windscreen. So if you are interested in that, please smash that subscribe button. And not only the windscreen, through whole winter, because the weather is going to be cold in Serbia, we are going to do a build series on this bike. So windscreen, a new exhaust, a lot of carbon, a lot of small things. We are making a proper build series on my S1000R, and spoiler alert, it's going to look amazing, so you don't want to miss that. So, like I said, smash that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, because it helps a lot. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.